5 effective exercises to get a flat tummy. Tired of doing endless crunches without seeing results? Or maybe you're looking for an effective way to get that flat tummy you've always wanted without spending hours at the gym? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to reveal 5 powerful exercises that target your core and help flatten your tummy. These exercises are simple to follow, and more importantly, they work. Stick around to learn how to tone your abs, burn belly fat, and get that flat stomach you've been dreaming of. Achieving a flat tummy is a goal that many of us strive for, but it's not always as easy as following a quick workout routine. Flattening your stomach involves a combination of healthy eating, consistent exercise, and a bit of patience. While there's no magic formula for losing belly fat, there are targeted exercises that can help strengthen and tone the muscles in your core, ultimately giving you that flat stomach you desire. In today's video, we're going to break down 5 effective exercises that are proven to target the key areas that contribute to a flatter tummy: your abdominals, obliques, and lower back. Whether you're a beginner or more advanced in your fitness journey, these exercises can be modified to fit your fitness level. And the best part is, you don't need any fancy equipment to get started. Exercise 1. Plank. The plank is one of the most effective full-body exercises you can do, and it especially targets the core. Not only does the plank strengthen your abs, but it also works your shoulders, arms, and legs. The reason planks are so effective at helping flatten your tummy is because they engage your deep abdominal muscles, including the transverse abdominis, which is the muscle that wraps around your waist and creates that toned, flat appearance. To perform a plank: 1. Start by lying on your stomach and placing your forearms on the floor, elbows directly beneath your shoulders. 2. Push up onto your toes and lift your body so it forms a straight line from your head to your heels. 3. Hold this position, keeping your core tight and avoiding any sagging in your lower back. Focus on squeezing your belly button toward your spine. 4. Hold for as long as you can, aiming for 30 seconds to 1 minute to start, and gradually increasing the time as your strength improves. Planking engages multiple muscles at once, making it an efficient exercise for overall core strength, which is essential for a flat tummy. Exercise 2. Bicycle crunches. If you're looking to target your abdominal muscles and obliques, the muscles on the sides of your abdomen, bicycle crunches are an excellent choice. This exercise helps engage the rectus abdominis, the six-pack muscles, while also working the obliques, giving you a more toned and defined stomach. To perform bicycle crunches: 1. Lie flat on your back with your hands behind your head and knees bent. 2. Lift your legs off the ground, keeping your knees bent at a 90-degree angle. 3. Bring your right knee toward your chest while simultaneously twisting your torso to bring your left elbow to meet your right knee. 4. Extend your right leg straight out while keeping your left knee bent and continue twisting to the other side, bringing your right elbow to meet your left knee. 5. Continue alternating sides in a controlled manner, as if you're pedaling a bicycle. Bicycle crunches are not only effective for targeting your abs and obliques, but also improve your rotational strength, which plays a key role in achieving a toned and flat stomach. Exercise 3. Leg raises. Leg raises are a powerful exercise for targeting the lower part of your abs, an area that many people struggle to tone. This exercise works the lower rectus abdominis and can help flatten your lower belly, reducing the appearance of bloating and excess fat. To perform leg raises: 1. Lie flat on your back with your legs straight and arms at your sides for support. 2. Slowly raise both legs toward the ceiling, keeping them straight and together while engaging your core. 3. Lower your legs back down, but avoid letting them touch the ground. Keep them hovering just above the floor. 4. Repeat the movement for 10 to 15 repetitions, focusing on engaging your core muscles the entire time. If you're new to leg raises, it's okay to start with a small range of motion and gradually increase the difficulty as you build strength. For an added challenge, try adding a pulse at the top of the movement or holding your legs up for a few seconds to increase the intensity. Exercise 4. Russian twists. Russian twists are an excellent exercise for targeting your obliques and strengthening your entire core. This rotational movement helps tone the size of your waistline and improve your overall stability, which is essential for achieving a flat, defined stomach. To perform Russian twists: 1. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat. Lean back slightly while keeping your spine straight. 2. Clasp your hands together in front of your chest or hold a weight for added resistance. 3. Twist your torso to the right, bringing your hands toward the floor beside your hip. 4. Return to the center and twist to the left, tapping the floor beside your left hip. 5. Continue alternating from side to side for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Russian twist engage your obliques, rectus abdominis, and even your lower back, making them an effective exercise for tightening your entire core and getting closer to that flat tummy goal. Exercise 5. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are a high-intensity exercise that combines cardio and core work. This exercise not only helps burn calories to reduce belly fat, but also targets your abs, lower back, and shoulders. Mountain climbers are great for increasing your heart rate, which can help accelerate fat loss, making them a great addition to any ab routine. To perform mountain climbers, 1. Start in a plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. 2. Bring your right knee toward your chest, then quickly switch legs, bringing your left knee forward while extending your right leg back. 3. Continue alternating legs at a fast pace as if you're climbing a mountain. 4. Aim to perform mountain climbers for 30 to 45 seconds at a high intensity, focusing on maintaining a strong, stable core. Mountain climbers are an excellent exercise to incorporate into your routine for not only strengthening your core, but also increasing calorie burn, which is essential for reducing belly fat and revealing a flat stomach. Combining these exercises for maximum results. While each of these exercises is effective on its own, combining them into a full workout routine will give you the best results. Try doing 3 sets of each exercise with 30 to 45 seconds of rest in between. Aim for 3 to 4 workouts per week, ensuring you allow enough time for your muscles to recover between sessions. Consistency is key when it comes to getting a flat tummy. Incorporating these 5 exercises into your regular routine, combined with a balanced diet and regular cardio, will help you achieve your goal of a toned, flat stomach. Don't expect overnight results. Progress takes time, but with dedication and patience, you'll see the transformation. Additional tips for a flat tummy. In addition to these exercises, there are a few other tips you can follow to accelerate your progress. 1. Mind your diet. Eating a balanced diet is crucial. Focus on whole foods like lean proteins, vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods and excess sugar, which can contribute to belly fat. 2. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water helps prevent bloating and aids in digestion, which is key for a flatter stomach. 3. Cardio is essential. In addition to strength training, incorporating cardio exercises like running, cycling, or swimming will help burn fat and reveal your toned abs. 4. Get enough sleep. Lack of sleep can interfere with your body's metabolism and lead to weight gain. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. By following these tips and sticking to your exercise routine, you'll be on your way to a flat tummy in no time. Conclusion: consistency is key. Achieving a flat tummy isn't something that happens overnight, but with these 5 effective exercises, you're on the right path. Remember, consistency is the key. Incorporate these exercises into your routine, maintain a healthy diet, and make time for cardio, and you'll see real progress. Stay patient and keep pushing yourself. You'll get there. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips, workout routines, and health advice. Let us know in the comments which exercise you're most excited to try, or if you have any questions about getting a flat tummy. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.